to 2927 Banyan Hill Lane, Plantation Palms, Land O'Lakes, Florida. Linda Nowicki and the Tampa Realty Now team proudly present this 1,555 square foot maintenance-free St. Croix model featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, and a tropically landscaped yard just steps away from the community pool in the reserve section of gated Plantation Palms. A 10 by 12 foot den near the front entry makes an excellent home office. The 10 by 10 dining space is the perfect spot to entertain. The open kitchen offers 42-inch maple cabinets, a newer range, built-in microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, island, closet pantry, breakfast nook, solid surface counters, and task lighting. The kitchen blends seamlessly with the 14 by 19 foot family room, which features a large double slider with views and access to the lanai. The large master bedroom is situated at the rear of the home with views into the lanai and conservation area. The master bath features dual sinks, a linen closet, and a large walk-in shower. A guest bedroom offers an adjacent full bath. A 20 by 20 foot covered and screened lanai with its own heating and cooling system has faux stone concrete floors and features private wooded views. The lanai boasts a soothing and invigorating 4-person hydrotherapy spa. Extras in this home include a new 2017 TRANE A unit with UV light, extra blown-in attic insulation, reverse osmosis system, and shatter-proof security film and solar tint on all the windows and doors. Gated Plantation Palms offers 18 holes of golf, a full-service restaurant, driving range, and mini-golf. Top-rated schools, Costco, and Tampa Prime Outlet Mall are just minutes away. And immediately adjacent is the Land O'Lakes Sports Complex with baseball fields, a BMX track, a swimming pool, and more. 2927 Banyan Hill Lane, your new home in Plantation Palms, Land O'Lakes, Florida. For more information, please call your Tampa Realtor, Linda Nowicki, at 813-413-4343, email info@tamparealtynow.com, or visit our website, www.tamparealtynow.com.